with trainer April. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Rochelle. So, here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. Where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic first, Dazzle. Dazzle is our super-crested Kakatu. Scientific name is Kakatu Bagalakita. Common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very old birds and can mimic almost any sound. They can feed in seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also long form. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the healing of and here comes a round of applause for Dazzle with Trainer JC. Now our next frequent verb is just like any married couples, monogamous, meaning they are mates or partners for life. Pretty romantic, right? But as every couple will accept in relationships, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of gaming couple. And today, they will battle out to see who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy! 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 And how about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky. Here's Rocky first ball. Followed by Sassy. Second ball for Rocky. It's a tie and for the last ball. Who's coming? What a close game. Trainer Myung, you lose this time. What can you say about that?
Hey, you guys did it! Hold it, you want another race?
You want another race, Trainer? Are you sure about that? Do you want Rocky to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Rocky will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
What is the ring race?
The first bird of England will race into the ball. The fastest is the winner, and that is the ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember guys that girls have already 1 point. So boys, let's cheer for Rocky to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocky first quick. Oh, what's happening? Sassy! And the winner is Sassy. Trainer Myung, what happened? You lose again. Greetings at the same time.
Hey, you guys did it!
Oh, he thinks we cheated. No, we didn't cheat. Sassy is her brain. Ah!